Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling how to use Google Sheets offline in 2025. With the world always on the go, being able to work on your spreadsheets without an internet connection is a total lifesaver. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or just in a spotty Wi-Fi zone. Let's dive right in. First off, ensure you've got the latest version of Google Drive installed on your device. Google has rolled out some awesome updates for 2025, including smarter offline syncing and AI-powered suggestions, so updates are key. Step 1. Open Google Drive on your computer, tablet, or phone. Head to the Settings menu. It's usually in the top right corner or under the three-dot menu icon. Look for the Offline Settings option, which has been streamlined for quicker access in this year's update. Step 2. Toggle on offline access. You'll see a prompt to confirm. Go ahead and enable it. This allows Google Sheets to cache your files locally on your device. Step 3. Select the specific Google Sheets files you want to work on offline. Right-click on the file in Google Drive and choose Make Available Offline. In 2025, you can even prioritize files based on AI recommendations for your workflow. Step 4. Now, you're set. Open your chosen sheet, and you can edit, add data, or format cells just like you would online. Any changes will be saved locally until you're back online. Step 5. Once you're connected to the internet again, Google Sheets will automatically sync your edits. Pro tip. Check for any sync conflicts to keep everything smooth. One of the coolest enhancements in 2025 is the improved offline mode with better collaboration features, like queued updates that merge seamlessly when you're back online. It's perfect for team projects. There you have it. Using Google Sheets offline is straightforward and powerful. Give it a try and boost your productivity on the move. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.